How to talk to strangers? It is a common problem that everyone faces. They want to talk to strangers, they want to have different experiences, but because of lack of understanding of some points, lack of understanding of communication, they deny and they just give up. But today in the video, I'm going to share 5 amazing strategies that will help you to talk to stranger and to show your communication skills, to test your communication skills. So make sure to watch this video completely, and if you're watching me first time, make sure to subscribe this channel for such amazing videos in the future. And if you find this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section. Now without any delay, let's get into the video. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renu and you're watching Speak and Thrive. So today I'll be talking about 5 amazing points to talk to strangers. I can feel that everyone wants to talk to strangers and have some different experiences. They want to challenge themselves, but they do not know how to start, how to initiate the conversation. So today I'm here to help you by sharing 5 amazing points by which you can actually start talking to strangers and you can have amazing experiences by interacting with the different people. So now let's start with the first point. The first point is that you just have to simply say hi. How is your day going on? This is the first question that you have to ask before starting the conversation. How's your day going on? Hi. When you smile, it shows your kindness. And when you make eye contact, it shows that you are interacting, you are connecting with that person. So always make eye contact and keep a sweet smile on your face while communicating with strangers. Do not interrupt when they are speaking something, otherwise it will be a bad impression. The first impression will not be good, right? So always let them speak. Do not overshare yourself. Just listen them, show genuine interest to listening them, and also find a common ground, common hobby, common place, common interest that you both like, and you'll be like talking about that. It will help you to get deeper in the conversation, to have effective communication interaction with each other. And always whenever you're talking to someone stranger, always end up the conversation with a positive note. Always use positive note. Nice to talk to you. Show the gratitude. Have a good day. Always appreciate. Always show gratitude and end up the conversation with a positive note. Now that's how you'll be able to connect with strangers, and that's how you'll be able to leave good effective impression and create some amazing memories and have some good and different experiences of life. So it is really important to talk to strangers, and I feel if you use these all points that I have shared in this video, you will definitely be able to stand out and talk to strangers. You just need a little bit courage and confidence in yourself, then you can speak anything with anyone anywhere. I hope you find this video helpful, guys. If you find this video helpful, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet you in the next one.